Hello friends, I'm Suman and you are watching Suman Technical. Today I'm going to talk about the mobile jack connector. There are different type of mobile jack connector are found, and I am going to talk about the monoflock, which is known as the TRS, and the store flock, which is known as the TRS, and the universal 4-pole cell phone headsets. First of all, I'm going to talk about the monoflock, which is known as the TRS. It is a old headset flock, and it has a two-path signal and the ground, it is also known as the signal also the tip, and the ground also the shelf. It does not support the microphone because it has only two poles, signal and ground. Let's talk about the store flock TRS, which has the three poles, left channel, right channel, and the ground. It is a popular headset flock in the world. You can see in the picture, L means left channel tips, and the R means right channel ring, and the G and D means ground or the shelf. Let's talk about universal 4-pole cell phone headset. It is popular than others headset. It has a 4-pole, left channel, right channel, ground, and mic. You can make your own color mic by joining the mic and the ground pole. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below.